Exercise 10.3, question number 1, second subsection. 6x plus 3y minus 5 equals 0. Reduce the following equations into slope-intercept form and find their slopes and y-intercept. So you write 3y equals minus 6x plus 5. Y equals minus 6x divided by 3 plus 5 by 3. Y equals minus 2x plus 5 by 3. So the slope is minus 2 and the y-intercept is 5 by 3 because this is of the form y equals mx plus c. Clear? Second question, first subsection, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals 0. So this was using the slope-intercept form. So now this they want us to reduce using the intercept form and find the intercepts on the axis. So what do? You have 3x plus 2y equals 12. I'm going to divide the whole equation by 12. Divided by 12. So what do I get? X by 4 plus y by 6 equals 1. So this is of the form x by a plus y by b equals 1. So a equals 4 and b equals 6. So this is the x-intercept and this is the y-intercept. Okay? Reduce the following equation into normal form. Find the perpendicular distance from the origin and angle between the perpendicular. You need to find p and omega. So a is 1, b is minus root 3, c is 8. Root of a square plus b square is root of 1 square plus minus root 3 the whole square, which is 4 and 2. So you have cos omega equals a divided by root of a square plus b square. You have sin omega, which is minus root 3 divided by 2, and you have p, which is 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Your omega will take the value 60 degree and 60 degree. So basically the angle is 60 degree. Distance of the perpendicular from the origin is 4 units. Okay. Fourth question. Find the distance of the point minus 1 comma 1 from the line 12x plus 6 equals 5 times y minus 2. We have learnt the distance of a point from a line formula. What is it? D equals ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So this is the equation. What do you have? I'm opening the brackets. 12x plus 6 to 12, 172 equals 5y minus 10. I'm bringing everything to one side. I have 12x minus 5y. 72 plus 10 is 82 equals 0. So now your a is 12, b is minus 5, c is 82. So what is your root of a square plus b square? Root of 12 square plus minus 5 the whole square. You have 144 plus 25, which is 169, which is 13. Okay, so this is your root of a square plus b square. What is your x1, y1? This is your x1 and this is your y1. Substituting it in the formula, you have d of, what is your a? 12 times x1 plus b times, don't forget the brackets, b times y1, which is just 1, plus c, 82 divided by 13. What do I have? I have minus 12 minus 5, which is minus 17. 82 minus 17. So I have 65. 82 minus 17, 65. 65 divided by 13, which is 5. That is your final answer. Question number 5. It is very similar to question number 4. Find the points on the x-axis. See, on the x-axis, what do you have? You do not have values of y, you only have x coordinate. So you have x comma 0, right? Distance from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 equals 1 is 4 units. They have given the distance, they have given the equation. So you need to find what x is. So let me just name it as A in order to avoid confusion with x and y. So use the same formula. So what do you have? First, let me simplify this equation. Let me bring it in the form ax plus by plus c. So x, 4x plus 3y equals 12. 4x plus 3y minus 12 equals 0. Always remember it is ax plus by plus c equals 0. Never take your value to be c when the value of c is to the right of the equal to symbol. Okay. So your a 4, b is 3, c is minus 12. Root of a square plus b square is root of 16 plus 9, 25, which is 5. So the distance formula d equals, I'll just substitute the values. Using the distance formula, 4 equals, this is your x1, y1. A times x1 plus b times y1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. What do I get? 4 equals 4a minus 12. I'll multiply this here, so I get 20. So what do I have? When I remove the modulus sign, I have two different values. So it's 4a minus 12 equals 20. 4a minus 12 equals minus 20. So you have 4a equals 32, a equals 8. Here you have 4a equals minus 8, minus 20 plus 12. You have minus 8, so a equals minus 2. So your value would be 8, 0 or minus 2, 0. Okay. Question number 6. Find the distance between the two parallel lines. So what is the formula? D equals C1 minus C2 divided by root of a square plus b square. What are the equations given? I am doing the second subsection, which is L times x plus y plus p equals 0. This is one equation, and the other equation is L times x plus y minus r equals 0. So this is xl plus yl plus p equals 0, xl plus yl minus r equals 0. So your a is L, b is L, your C1 is p, your C2 is minus r. Okay. So root of a square plus b square is root of L square plus L square, which is 2L square. So it is L root 2. Okay. Now using the distance formula, T equals C1 minus C2. So it's P minus of minus R. P plus R divided by 2 root 2. P plus R divided by L root 2. Okay. So this is the final answer. That's it. Question number 7. Find the equation of the line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 equals 0 and passing through the point minus 2, 3. So they are saying the line passes parallel to this. So let us find the slope of this line. You have 4y equals 3x plus 2. Y equals 3x by 4 plus 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So what is the slope here? 3 by 4. They say that the two lines are parallel. So M2 will also be 3 by 4 because they are parallel lines. So you have a slope and you have a point. You use the one point slope form, right? So you have y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. So just multiply. 4y minus 12 equals 3x plus 6. So you have 3x. Bringing this to the other side, you have 18, which is equal to 0. So it is 3x minus 4y plus 18 equals 0. So what do you basically see? Since these two lines are parallel, you have the same a and b values, only the c value changes, right? Because they have the same slope. So this is c1 and this is c2. So further in exam, if they ask you to find the distance between the two parallel lines, you have c1 and c2. So you just use the distance formula, c1 minus c2 divided by root of a square plus b square. Just to make the question complicated, they'll give you multiple subsections, but don't panic, okay? So you just have so many variations, okay? Question number 8. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line x minus 7y plus 5 equals 0 and having an x-intercept at 3. So x intercept is 3, so which means the point is 3, 0. So writing this in terms of y equals mx plus c, I have 7y equals x plus 5, y equals 1 by 7x plus 5 by 7. So my slope is 1 by 7. Since they say it's perpendicular, I have m1, m2 equals minus 1. So m1 times m2 is minus 1, m2 is minus 7. So this is my slope and this is my point. So I'm going to find the equation of the line passing through the x-intercept, which is 3, 0 and this slope. So I have y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. So I have y equals minus 7x plus 21. 7x minus 7x plus y minus 21 equals 0. Question number 9. Find the angle between the lines root 3x plus y equals 1 and x plus root 3y equals 1. So what do I have? Y equals minus root 3x plus 1. Here y equals minus x divided by root 3 plus 1. So the slope here is minus root 3. The slope here is minus 1 by root 3 because it is of the form y equals mx plus c. Correct? No. So now what is the angle between the two lines? Tan theta equals m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Right? What is your m2? Minus 1 by root 3 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus 1, right? Root 3 times 1 by root 3 is 1, minus into minus plus, and you already have a plus here. So what do I get? I get minus 1 plus 3 divided by root 3 whole divided by 2. So that's my tan theta. So what do I have? 2 divided by root 3 times 1 by 2 equals tan theta, cancelling the 2 and 2. So tan theta equals 1 by root 3 plus or minus. So if it's plus 1 by root 3, then theta 30 degree. If it's minus 1 by root 3, it is 180 minus 30, which is 150 degree. Okay. Question number 10. Find the equation of the line passing through the point minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line passing through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. So this is your A, B. This particular line passes through this point and is perpendicular to this point. So how do you solve this question? So what do you have? You have two coordinates. What do you do with this? You find the slope of this. How do you find the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this will be your m1. So you need to find the slope of this, but they say that they are perpendicular to each other. So you need to find m2 using m1 and this relation. After you find m2, you use the slope and the point to find the equation of the line using point slope form. Okay, so this will be your homework. Try to solve this and tell me what the answer is in the comment section below. Okay, what's your 1 point slope form? Y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. Okay, use this.